Imagine walking through a rainforest at night. You look up and see what looks like tiny floating marshmallows tucked under a leaf. Not birds, not insects. These are bats, but not the kind you're thinking of. Meet the Honduran White Bat, scientifically known as Ectophylla alba. Now here's the weird part. These bats don't just live in the jungle, they build homes. Yes, tiny fluffy architects. Deep in the rainforests of Central America, mainly Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. These bats carefully chew the veins of large leaves, not to eat them, but to reshape them. The leaf slowly folds down into a perfect green tint, protecting them from rain, predators, and even sunlight. A custom-built jungle umbrella. And here's the cutest twist. Each bat is only about 4 to 5 centimeters long, small enough to fit in your palm. A whole colony can fit under a single leaf, like a secret sleepover you were never invited to. But why are they white, with those bright orange noses and ears? It's not makeup, it's not magic, it's their diet. These bats mostly eat figs. The pigments from figs actually influence their coloration, giving them that glowing, almost unreal look. So basically, they are what they eat. Unlike the spooky reputation bats usually get, these little guys are gentle, social, and incredibly calm. They live in small groups, snuggled tightly together under their leafy tents. No horror movie vibes here, just peaceful jungle roommates. Most bats are dark, cave-dwelling, and nocturnal hunters. But Ectophylla alba, they're bright white, rare for bats. Leaf-dwelling instead of cave-dwelling. Fruit lovers, not insect chasers. They literally flipped the bat stereotype upside down. Here's where it gets even cooler. Their white fur actually helps camouflage in filtered sunlight through leaves. Their tents can last for weeks, but they keep making new ones. They rely heavily on humid rainforest environments. Too dry, and they can't survive. They're not just living in the jungle. They're perfectly tuned to it. But that also means they're fragile. These bats are considered near-threatened, mainly due to deforestation. And here's something important. They may look like tiny, fluffy pets, but they are not meant for captivity.